Ano? Then, the proper stimulation, kunin ang enerhiya galing sa hangin. Pag kinuha ang enerhiya galing sa hangin, you need to proceed the proper stimulation that connect into pulses, temporal pulses. Okay. Then hanggang dun sa edge point ng tinatawag center of attraction of the eyes. Ang tawag dun, yin-tang. No? Yan, yin-tang. Then ilagay ang malakas na enerhiya sa iyong subject. Then concentrate with the healing energy. So pagbalansin na katawan, you need to protect from here, temple, right temple to the left temple. Right temple to the left temple. Kaya yung munang magulo. Then right after forehead, yung tawag natin GV9. Ang GV9 natin ay going up. We have 5 specific nerve point for GV. G as in good, V as in victory. GV. Okay. GV nerve point number 1 from the hairline. Ilagay ang finger web, ito finger tip, ito finger web. So ang pressure, gagamitin mo pang pressure, hindi finger tip. The finger web. Okay, from the hairline, sabihin mo sa subject, Ma'am, inhale, nostril. Inhale, hold your breath. 1, specific point, GV number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Then hold your breath. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Then exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drain. Then press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then drain from occipital bone sa cervical 1. Then tapon. Anong kinuha mo? Negative energy plus blockage. Itinapon mo, wala na ngayon sa kanya. Naramdaman mo, mami, yung stimulation. Ngayon, pag ikaw ay master na, you need to calm your mind and balance the body cycle, that connection from here, and temple, that's sabihin mo, inhale, hold your breath. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then drain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then drain. Then up, then